Pomeranian versus Chihuahua. Which one is better? Pomeranians are fluffy bundles of energy, always ready to explore and play. They have a thick double coat that requires regular grooming to keep them looking their best. Chihuahuas, meanwhile, are known for their loyalty and can be quite protective of their owners. In terms of temperament, Pomeranians are outgoing and can be quite vocal, making them great little watchdogs. Chihuahuas are also known for their bravery and can have a big dog attitude in a tiny body, but they tend to form a particularly strong bond with one person. Who would it be?